It's Billy from Crate Labs, and it's April 6th, and this is day 5 of our 30-day 3D printing series. Unfortunately, it didn't go as planned for today, but we've still got something made for the series. Since we have no time-lapse for today, let's jump straight into the print. We got a do-nothing machine. It does nothing, but it's a very cool fidget. If you're interested in supporting us on this journey, go to cratelabs.ca and see if there's something there for you. Got any ideas for what we should print next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!